Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Fully Informed Trade, or FI Trade for short, knowledge for everyone. My name is Alex Cho, and right now I am going to be talking about the UNG US Natural Gas Fund ETF. And basically, I anticipate the natural gas ETF to continue to trend a little higher, mainly because it did gap above this trend line. This trend line is supposed to be resistance. Now it's going to be support. And again, on the following session, I anticipate perhaps some profit taking again into the weekend. People might take some profits. So you can see it pull back perhaps to this trend line. So as long as it stays and sustains above this trend line and closes above this trend line, natural gas should be able to head higher. This natural gas ETF has been able to defy my expectations and perhaps the expectations of many others. And I guess the main logic behind why natural gas prices are going higher is because the number of people drilling for natural gas has declined, and the amount of storage, the storage capacity, um, isn't being used that much. We're kind of using up the supply in the marketplace. There's not a whole lot of production going on. So not only has production reduced, the demand has remained constant. And over the next several years, people are anticipating higher demand for natural gas. It is a very natural recovery for natural gas values, and it doesn't come across as too surprising. It's not going to benefit the natural gas miners much because, again, in return for higher prices, these guys have also cut back on production. So perhaps revenues might level out a little bit, but they're certainly not going to grow, not for a couple more years. So again, don't expect growing revenues for natural gas firms, but I do think natural gas prices may have a little more room to head higher. So that does it for me. I think the midterm much higher. Longer term, perhaps even higher than that. Short term, it's really hard to determine. Yeah, maybe over the next several days you'll see natural gas go higher. Midterm, yeah, that's really hard to say. I mean, over the course of 1 to 2 years, it's really hard to tell what natural gas will do. But I'm pretty sure that natural gas will go up over the short term. So take care, folks. I hope you guys have a wonderful trading session, and I hope you guys make money every single day of the year.